Alright guys, here we are back in Paddington, putting up the big beams up the back. There's the big 6 metre or 6.5 metre duck lifter. Here's the other one, so you can see the pieces in it, 1, 2, 3, 4, they all move. Well, 3 move. They go up, just like that one is extended, see that? Up there. Trying to get you up so you can see. I couldn't do any videos before because I was busy using the duck lifter. So Frank is up there. There he is. He's trying to get the owner builder, Hilton, put a stirrup inside. This is all core filled. This is a plastic mould, and it's called a dinsel, and it's all full of concrete. Like there's a lot of concrete in there, full all the way to the top. And he's set into the dinsel a 600 log stirrup in the right place, which we've mounted that steel into, and now Frankie's just got to weld off on. So just like this over there, where the clamp is holding on at the moment, we're going to get back there and weld that. He's just over here doing this one.
Beautifully set up by the builder.
Yeah, beautifully set up by the builder, of course, yes. Thank you, Hilt. Well, what he thought he'd use for tie down, so a stirrup in there. It's a good idea. Does the job nicely. Steel, 600mm into the concrete. There's a lot of concrete in that wall. And yeah, so that beam's now up there, ready for him to put his roof to. And now we've got to put that little one there, is the brother to this one, that goes up there. We put that one up earlier today, because while we've got these big duck lifters, we're doing the high ones. So that one is full lift, so 6 metres up there. It's all the way through. We're just going to weld it off onto the sea channel, onto the portal frame. That's still to happen. But now we're going to go up there. As soon as he's finished welding that off, we're going to cut these off at the right height and then bring that little piece up and put it up in there. And then we've got the wind wall, which you've got to put another piece of 90 by 90 right the way across the top of that. Which we'll be cutting off soon. We'll get there. It's a long afternoon as we make this happen, and sun right in the way. But yeah, Frankie's having fun up there. Not easy, but that's the duckies. This one's still reasonably extended. There it is, all the way up there. And Frankie playing with that up there, trying to get it level. Get it plumbed straight up and down. And this place is going ahead, as you see. So the chippies have been doing a lot of walls and getting it all ready for the next stage. But yes, I'll keep you posted. We'll do another video in a little while. Thanks guys, see you again soon.